Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with Mailchimp beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one, create an account by visiting the Mailchimp website. Navigate to the campaigns section on the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new email campaign. Choose email from the options provided. Decide on the campaign type that best suits your sales goals. For beginners, a regular campaign is a great starting point. Next, select the audience you want to target. This should be a segment that is most likely to engage with your sales message. Craft a compelling campaign name that reflects the purpose of the email. Once you've named your campaign, click Begin. In the Setup section, fill in your email subject line. Make it intriguing to encourage recipients to open the email. You can personalize it with the recipient's name for better engagement. Now, add the sender name and email address. These should be recognizable to your audience to build trust. Move to the Content section by clicking Design Email. Choose a template that aligns with your brand. Mailchimp offers various customizable templates. Add your logo to reinforce brand identity. Incorporate engaging visuals and clear, concise text. Make sure to highlight your sales pitch effectively. Ensure that the buttons stand out and are easy to find. Preview your email to check for any errors or formatting issues. You can send a test email to yourself or a colleague for feedback. Confirm all links are working correctly before finalizing the email. Once satisfied with the design, click Next. Review your campaign details to ensure everything is set up correctly. When ready, click Send or schedule it for a later time. After your campaign has been sent, monitor its performance in the Reports section. Analyze open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.